kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, tell me. Exactly, I draw a rocket for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's draw the rocket with me. It's very easy and simple drawing. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. First of all, you need to draw the triangle. And then draw the two lines at the lower of triangle. Then I draw the fire. The fire burning when the rocket starts. The fire helps to flew the rocket in the air. Then I draw the handle of rocket. Then I draw the other handle of the rocket. You know, rocket is used to discover anything in the universe. Scientists sent the rocket to know about the universe. Universe is the huge. Scientists want to know about this. A rocket is a big machine. It flies very high in the sky and goes into space. A rocket is very fast and very strong. It has big engines to help it fly. Rockets help us learn about space. They can travel higher than airplanes. People use rockets to explore space. Watching a rocket fly is very exciting. See, my drawing is almost ready. Who will tell me what is missing in this drawing? Yes, it's coloring. Let's coloring with me. I like coloring so much. Do you like coloring? Who will tell me what is the color of fire? Yes, tell me. Yes, its color is yellow and orange color. So I use the yellow color. You know, fire is dangerous for us. It's so harmful for us when we touch it. But we use it for cooking. It's also used for heating during the winter. Then I use the blue color. Blue color is my favorite color. Do you like blue color? Then I use the red color in the lines. Wow, that's awesome drawing. See, the red and blue color look so beautiful and awesome. Don't forget to color in the wings of the rocket. Use the blue color in it. Do you see rocket in your life? I see the rocket in the museum. That rocket was huge and awesome. I also have a toy rocket. This rocket was gave me as a birthday gift last year. Also use the yellow color in the star. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See, my drawing is ready. Wow, that's awesome drawing. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. I like this drawing so much. Do you like this drawing? See you soon.